Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. Got 164,000 miles on the odometer. And these side mirrors, the actual glass in them shakes around pretty good. So you can see them, I don't know if you can see that in camera or not, but they vibrate pretty good. Love the steering wheel, it's very, very nice. You do have a chip in the glass right here. It hasn't cracked yet, but it is a pretty good chip. And then you do have a belt squeal, so you might hear that. Shifted really smooth there. The steering wheel's nice and straight. Alignment feels good so far. Hitting on the brakes kind of hard. Brakes have a good bite to them. Hit on the brakes kind of hard here. Brakes feel good. Got the little creaks in the steering wheel when you turn. And then you have the creaks when you press on the brake pedal. Otherwise, it drives really nice. There's a little squeak in the belt, it sounds like. This is a cold start. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now this was custom painted and it's a Porsche color. I'm not 100% sure what that is just yet, but I'll look at the build sheet on it and get that notated in the description. But it looks incredible, very, very clean. Tons of tread left on the tires. They are 305 5520s, Tear grapplers, date code 2020. Looking at the wheels, I don't see any curb rash. They look really, really good. Here on that paint, it's a beautiful paint job. Now you're gonna see little imperfections, little dimples here and there if you get close. But overall, they did a really, really good job. Got the shorty antenna. You do have some wear around that. That trim looks good. Looking at the mirror, I don't know if it's gonna show up in camera, but it's not just a gloss black. There's some blue flake in it. There you go. Now you can really see that. Check that out. Really pretty, but from right here, it just looks gloss black. Now looking at this, you can see that's kind of falling apart there. A-pillar looks good. Lots of scratches in the glass. Looking at that trim, looks good. You can see these are painted. And I think that's just a gloss black. Typical scuffs and scratches. The rest of that door looks good. Do see a little marking there. All of that's looking good. I imagine there's a couple rock chips there, but nothing's really standing out. Here on that wheel, looks incredible. Tread looks good. That lens is crystal clear. That one's a little dingy. And same here. That one's crystal clear. And that one's a little dingy. Here on the edge of the hood, I do see some light marring there, very subtle. Now we do offer paint correction and ceramic coating in-house, so you can get a lot of that out. Got a little dimple in the paint. Not seeing any rock chips really though. So it's a pretty fresh paint job, or at least low miles on it. Looking at that bumper, little swirls and scratches and imperfections in there. You can see that. Got the gloss black grille. That emblem is faded. I do see a chip right there. Lower plastic, looks good. Fender looks good. That wheel is incredibly clean. Like I said, tons of tread left. Little markings here and there. Same thing, you got that really pretty blue. Lots and lots of scratches on that glass. Some light marring, almost like a card cover was on here and it's just kind of rubbing the edges of the paint. Like I said, if you get close, you're gonna see dimples like that here and there. That wheel looks good. And at the lens, I believe these are painted, smoked. It's not a cover. Yeah, that's painted on there. Line X bed liner. See, this is kind of popping out, and this has that metallic-y blue finish on it, and it's hard to tell on here, but I imagine that is as well, just being on the underside, the lighting's not hitting it. I bet it all has that blue flake in it. Looks really good. Looking at the interior, it looks incredible. Beautiful seats, non-smoker. All of that looks really, really nice. Steering wheel looks amazing. Here on that door panel, upper section looks good. This trim right here is popping out. Looks like it's broke. I don't know if that'll snap in or not. Lower side looks good. Looks like this is broke as well. That looks good. That looks nice. Typical age on the gauges there. Overall looks good. Upper side of the dash looks amazing. Got the Kenwood. Typical age on these buttons here. Shifter looks good. Tinted back glass. Headliner looks good. The jams look really good here on the panel. That's all in great condition. Looking at the dash, a couple little imperfections. For the most part, it looks really good though. Nice and clean. Looking at the seat, absolutely perfect. I don't see any flaws there. Headliner looks good. All right, checking out the engine bay. We're just gonna scan through this. Took a lot of photos as well that you can zoom in on certain things if I skip it in the video. That intake is kind of crushed, it looks like. Battery's from 1 of 26, so it's pretty much brand new. The liner looks amazing. Under hood is painted. They did a great job on that paint.